What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another AI video. Today we're diving into MiniMax Agent Part 2, and we're going to be showing off their new update, which is a game changer. MiniMax Agent is a full stack, no code AI agent that builds complete apps from front end to back end without you writing a single line of code. Now, in the last MiniMax Agent video, we built a Spotify clone website, freelance portfolio landing page, retro game console museum, and a stock earnings tracker, which is all a ton of fun to create. Now with the latest MiniMax Agent updates, we now get full stack development, which handles backend logic, data, and Stripe integration automatically. The marketplace, you can now publish your apps to the gallery, get discovered, and explore what others are building as well. More on that in just a second here. Remix. Instantly clone and customize any public project found within the gallery to make it your own. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always here. But before we dive in, just a quick heads up. MiniMax just launched their global agent competition with 150,000 cash prize pool, plus 10,000 in subscription perks. There are 200 different award categories, from most practical to wildest. So there's a good chance to win if you participate. Be sure to check out more details in the description to find out even more. All right, getting started. To try out MiniMax Agent, just head on over to agent.minimax.io. It's 100% web-based. After you sign up, all you got to do is type into the chat box what you want to create, hit run, and then the agent handles everything. All right, for the first demo here, I'm going to lean into my creative side. I want to create an app that generates a playlist based on whatever mood I'm in. This application is even going to be integrated with my personal Spotify account. So in essence, I want to create a music mood mixer. All right, here is my prompt. Create an AI tool that builds a personalized playlist from the user's current voice tone. Use real-time mic input to detect mood, whether I'm happy, calm, sad, or hyped. Let me adjust intensity and filter by genre. Pick songs that match mood using audio energy and lyrical content. Output a clean, shareable playlist with an embedded player. And I want the UI to be simple and modern. Let's go ahead and punch this in. All right, I just went ahead and punched in my prompt. Now I actually just went back and forth with the agent a few times here. And one of the things that I wanted to add on is that I wanted Spotify integration with my personal Spotify account. So let's go ahead and check out the final creation by clicking right here. All right, here we go. So we're looking at an AI powered mood detection and music curation. We've got real-time mood detection. We've got a smart music curation and Spotify integration here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on connect with Spotify. All right, this user is 100% me. I'm going to come on down here and click on agree. Let's do it. All right, here is our dashboard. Now on the left-hand side, we can see the voice mood detection. So I can go ahead and click on this and it's going to go ahead and detect our voice in real time and see where we're at with our mood. And then it's going to go ahead and pump out a playlist based on my mood here. And this is going to connect to my Spotify. So let's give this a try here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on detect mood for my voice. All right, I just went ahead and talked into my mic with a lower energy. So it just went ahead and declared that I have a sad mood. So let's come on over to the right-hand side and we can see that our playlist has been updated. So we have a bunch of songs to go through here. We've got a whole playlist to go through. Let's go ahead and click on this Eric Clapton song by clicking right here. And just like that, this particular song went ahead and opened up in my personal Spotify account here. So I can listen to the song right here, of course. All right, so that is very cool stuff. Just a super fun way to actually go ahead and create a playlist. I thought that was really cool how I was able to integrate this with my personal Spotify account. All right, now for the next demonstration here, we're gonna go ahead and show off the marketplace and remix features. So I'm just on the main agent interface and we're gonna go ahead and scroll down a little bit here and see if one of these catches our eyes. All right, now this one has caught my eye. It looks like a 90s inspired Pokemon Pokedex for the first 50 Pokemon here. So we can go ahead and click on the details here. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's have a look here. So this person went ahead and created a retro inspired Pokémon Pokédex for the first 50 Pokemon, featuring pixelated sprites, so the old school look, a 90s style interface, and an interactive search bar as well. It's all designed to mimic early gaming consoles like the Game Boy. Now I want to see how we can improve upon this concept even more. So let's come on over to the top here. If I click on the search button, I want to see if this works. And it does. I just went ahead and typed in bulb and we see Bulbasaur is filtered through here. Now if I go ahead and click on one of these, let's come on over to Charmander. We can see a very simple pop-up here. we can see the Pokemon, we can see the type and the base stats as well. So this is pretty cool, but I think we can take this to the next level. Now, if we come back to the main interface and I go ahead and hover my mouse over the app, I can click on Remix. So let's go ahead and click on Remix here. Now, once we do that, the agent is going to let us know that this project is now ours to customize. So we can start tailoring it to our specific requirements. So I just went ahead and punched in this prompt. I want to add a Pokemon evolution tracker feature to the existing 90s inspired Pokemon Pokédex. I want to allow users to click on any Pokemon and see its evolution chain. So for example, if we click on Charmander, I want to see the evolution chain there, including the evolution criteria. For each evolution, I want to display the evolution sprite, base stats, and a brief evolution description. And I want to ensure the UI maintains the nostalgic retro 90s gaming feel that we just saw it have. I also want to make sure we maintain the nostalgic retro 90s UI. All right, so like I said, I already went ahead and submitted this. So let's come on down to the bottom. Here we go. Our enhanced 90s inspired Pokédex with evolution tracker is now live. Let's go ahead and click on this link right here. Let's have a look. So at first glance, it's looking very similar. Of course, we wanted to keep that same feel, but the main thing is when we go ahead and click on the Pokemon. I'm going to come back over to Charmander here. Let's click on Charmander. And now if we look at the top, we have 3 different categories here. So we've got the main info here, just the main sprite and the type. We've got the stats in the next column. And then we have an evolution tab as well. Let's go ahead and click that. This is exactly what we asked for here. So we can see the evolution chain of the 3 Pokemon. We can see what level they evolve at. And if we scroll down here, we can see the base stats for each of the Pokemon. So we've got Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard, and we can see all the relative base stats for each of these Pokemon, each of these evolution. It's all right here. And if we come back to the previous chat box here, underneath our new link, we can go ahead and see all the different features that was integrated. So we can see the evolution criteria. We've got the fully integrated retro 90s look and the evolution descriptions as well. So it is all in here just to confirm what we just built. We're on a roll, so we got to go ahead and remix another one. I was just taking a browse through the gallery, and this nutrition tracking site caught my eye. This is a very simple AI-powered nutrition tracking site. So I thought this was pretty cool, but it seemed quite simple to me. If I come on over to the top and click on the start tracking now, if I go ahead and do that, it does prompt us to have to sign up and sign in. So right away, I think we can do something a bit more intuitive, something with a little bit less of a barrier. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. So I just went ahead and clicked on the remix button for this application. Just like before, the project is now ours to customize, so we can start tailoring it to our specific requirements. So I just went ahead and said that I'd like to create a meal history section that logs all previously analyzed meals, showing nutritional data, calories, and trends over the past week, month, and year. If I scroll to the bottom, I can go ahead and try out the app by clicking right here. All right, let's take a look. Here is our new and improved nutrition tracking site. Right away, we can see a much more intuitive dashboard here. We've got a nice little today's overview showing the calories, protein, carbs, fat. We can see a recent entry section as well and quick actions as well. Let's go ahead and click on the analyze food photo. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop this picture of spaghetti carbonara. So here we go. I've got a picture right here. I'm going to go ahead and drag and drop. Let's do it. And let's go ahead and click on analyze food. And just like that, the analysis has been complete here. So we have a meal analysis. We have some nutritional facts as well, and the identified foods in the bottom here. And I can go ahead and save this to our journal by clicking right here. All right, now it is time for some pricing and final thoughts. Now, right now, MiniMax Agent is completely free to try. Whether you're prototyping, launching a startup idea, or just having fun, MiniMax Agent makes the process of building applications effortless. Be sure to check out the marketplace, go ahead and remix an application, and you can even publish it as your own. And if you're feeling inspired, you can enter the MiniMax Agent competition for your chance at 150,000 in prizes. Of course, the link is going to be in the description as always. Build something cool, and don't hesitate to share your creations in the comments below.